In this video, I'll be going through how to solve algebraic equations with more than one fraction. So in this question, we have x over 2 plus x over 3 is equal to 10. Our first step is we need to multiply each term by the lowest common denominator, LCD. So the lowest common denominator is the lowest common multiple of the numbers below the line. So we're looking for the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So the lowest common multiple, so the lowest times table that they both share, is 6. So since the lowest common multiple is 6, that means our lowest common denominator is 6. And then we'll multiply each term by 6. So we'll have 6 times x over 2 plus 6 times x over 3 is equal to then 6 times 10. Now, let's see where we can simplify. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, so we'll have 3x. Then 3 goes into 6 twice, so that's 2x. Equals then 6 times 10, which is 60. So now 3x plus 2x is 5x. So we need x on its own, so always divide then by the number in front of x, which is 5. So x equals 60 over 5, and x is equal to 12. And that's it. Okay, let's have a look at another one. So here, looks a bit more complicated, but let's follow it step by step and it'll be okay. So first step, let's multiply each term by the lowest common denominator. So the lowest common denominator, so the lowest common multiple of 8 and 3, that will be 24. So let's multiply 24 by the first one. Over 8. Then 24 times x plus 4 over 3. And then 4 times 24. Now let's simplify. So 8 into 24 goes 3 times. So we'll have 3 times x plus 3. Then 3 goes into 24 8 times. So we'll have 8 times x plus 3. And then 4 times 24 is 96. So now we've gotten rid of all the fractions. So now we're just going to solve it like a regular equation. Let's expand the brackets. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 3 is 24. Equals 96. Okay, let's simplify some like terms now. So 3x plus 8x, that would be 11x. 9 plus 24, that would be 33, equals 96. Okay, so let's bring the 33 to the other side. Then we'll become minus 33. So we have 11x is equal to 96 minus 33. So we have 11x is equal to 66. So always divide them by the number in front of x. So x is equal to 66 over 11. So x is equal to 6. And that's the answer. Okay, let's do one more. So again, let's find the lowest common denominator in this question. So the lowest common multiple of 7, 14 and 2 will be 14. So lowest common denominator equals 14. So we'll multiply each term by 14. So 14 times 3x minus 5 all over 7 plus 14 times 2x minus 1 all over 14 equals then 3 times 14 all over 2. Okay, so let's simplify here where we can. So 7 into 14 goes twice, so we'll have 2 times 3x minus 5. 14 divided by 14 is just 1, so then we're left with just 2x minus 1. And 2 into 14 goes 7 times, so then we have 3 times 7. Okay, so that's all the fractions done. So now let's solve this like a regular equation. First of all, let's expand the brackets. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Then we have 2x minus 1. And 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, let's simplify what we have here. So 6x plus 2x, that is 8x. Minus 10 minus 1, that is minus 11. And it's equal to 21. So now let's bring the minus 11 to the other side. It will become plus 11. So we have 8x is equal to 21 plus 11. So 8x is equal to 32. So then always divide by the number in front of x. So x is equal to 32 over 8. So x is equal to 4. And that's my final answer. Okay, so any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.